Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, go for it. Go for
No, no. All day long, they're trying to break free from their chain. Oh, that must hurt. Oh wow, he's progressing. There's a screw that he's trying to open. Oh yeah, they started to make protein bar. So I'm currently in the bird market. You can see a lot of birds. So let me just show you quickly the big parrot right here. Whoa. And lots of beautiful yellow, blue, green birds right here. A lot of them. Oh wow, you can really see the anger. This parrot really want to break free. Bird. They're so strong, right? Wow. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. So sorry.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
No. All day long, they're trying to break free from their chain. Oh wow, he's progressing. There's a screw that he's trying to open. By the way, these are very intelligent. Wow. Hey, do you want to Hey, do you want to save my imaginary dog? If you do want to save my imaginary dog, please hit the subscribe button. And you will help me save my imaginary dog.